Where in the world is Jeremy from? Well, today I'm in Utah. I was in LA last week. Where in the world will Jeremy be at ISC West? At ISC, I am a part of 6 or 7 different meetings, and it's going to be about topics on OSDP. It will be design conversations for consultants, and then it will be high-level overall industry topics like which is better, open or proprietary-based solutions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk through all the different meetings that I'll be a part of, and I hope that I can see you there. So we're starting off the show in the meetings. It's going to be Monday, March 23rd at 1:15 p.m. And this is going to be a CE event. We're going to talk about OSDP Secure Channel and best practices for setting up and being successful with OSDP Secure Channel. I'm going to be in Casanova 504. You're going to want to register for this event, but I'll be in the room and talking with some of the best minds when it comes to OSDP Secure Channel. Sal D'Agostino, Jacob Leroy, Mark Schweitzer, and Esteban Pastor. You're not going to want to miss this one. So right after that first session, we're in the same room, Casanova 504. This starts at 2:30 p.m. on Monday. We're going to be talking about how you should be deploying OSDP. And again, some really great minds in the industry for OSDP. I'm going to be with Rodney Thayer, Rick Fockey, and Jim Cooper. So you're not going to want to miss that one. So moving to Tuesday, this is an all-day event. It's starting at 8:30, and you're really going to want to register for this one. This is the OSDP Bootcamp. You're going to get hands-on experience for deploying and setting up and understanding how OSDP works in the background. Again, register. It's in Venetian 405. All right, we're on to Wednesday and Thursday. Now, this is a multi-day event that we're doing with Assa Abloy, and this is going to focus on the A&E community or the consultants. So we're doing 20-minute sessions for all different aspects within Assa Abloy and HID and Mercury. My session is on designing Mercury. It starts at 2:20 p.m. on Wednesday. And then right after me, Phil Coppola, he'll have his session on mobile credentials. That starts at 2:40. Again, I'll put the details in the comments below. All right, we're on to Thursday morning, 10:30 in the morning. Myself and Phil Coppola, we're going to be walking through the 5 best practices for modern physical security. You're going to want to register for this and understand what we can do to have better cyber secure and more modern access control. All right, we're on to Thursday evening, 5 p.m. This is an event that SIA puts on. It's called the Interface event. It's a debate, a boxing style event where I'm going to be working alongside Gallagher. Gallagher's going to be saying that proprietary and unified hardware is better for the industry. I'm going to disagree with that 100%. Open architecture and what Mercury provides, it gives end users choice and freedom, and we should be open and flexible. So make sure you register for the Interface event Thursday, 5 p.m. And finally, don't forget about us on the show floor. Mercury has our own booth. It's booth 8053. You're going to want to stop in and see what's new with Mercury. One of the big things that we're going to be showing off is our embedded application environment. And I'll be dropping a different episode later in the week that talks about the 3 different partners that will be in that booth and what they're doing with the embedded application environment. So make sure you stop by booth 8053 and come see us at Mercury.